Welcome to another Kushti crypto video. Today we're not serious, today just jokey. This video I ask the important question: Fiat or BTC? The people that are getting asked this question are Twitch streamers that are playing this game, Trucking Simulator. Depending on what they answer, depends on what kind of tip they get. All the tips are fake, but one's going to be Bitcoin, one is going to be Fiat. It's completely fake though. Some people fall for it, some people don't. It's just like a little April Fool's, you know. I did this because the market's going down. We need to gauge where we are. Are the Trucking Simulator people talking about cryptocurrency? If they're not, we're good. If they are, we're fucked. Roll it.
Hey, what's going on, Kushti Crypto? I believe I said that right. I hope I did.
This guy's intelligent. He's getting my name right off the bat. I honestly thought this dude was going to come out and say, yeah, Bitcoin, man, I'm a big believer. I own loads of Bitcoin. All us lorry drivers, we talk about it. So I hit him up with the question.
Fiat or BTC?
That is a confusing ask back. At this point, I knew what was going to come out of his mouth.
What do you mean by Fiat or BTC? Talking about vehicles?
Vehicles.
Depends on what we're talking about. I'm not going to answer something I'm not sure what we're talking about.
We're not talking about vehicles.
Sounds like I'm about to ban somebody off my thing here.
Straight bans me. Just doesn't even answer the question at all. Just, nah, I haven't got time for this. I've got lorry driving to do.
Guy comes on my stream talking about Fiat or BTC. Pick one, you might win. Yeah, see ya. You got one follower. I'm guaranteed you're a bot trying to hack me, so see ya.
Oh, and then he sips the can. Good way to start. Start off on a rejection. Just straight up banned. Some lorry drivers just ain't got time to answer stupid questions. They're interested with the Fiat. That's a vehicle. He's asking me about vehicles? BTC? What the hell's BTC? Is that like some sort of BMW?
Krusty Crypto.
Okay, off the bat, getting the name wrong. Throwing in an R in there. Krusty Crypto. Krusty. That's like a mixture between Kushti and Krusty. Krusty. It's a cool dude though.
Go ahead.
This dude's got the glasses on, the trucker hat on. I like the look of it. Let's ask him.
Fiat or BTC? Not really sure what you mean. Fiat, like the car? BTC? What?
Maybe I need to do it again, but say like dollar or BTC.
Oh, that like bit stuff? Like
So here you can see that I did the donates free Bitcoin, which is like $180,000 in today's prices.
do I say thank you? I think I do, don't I? What is a BTC, guys?
He still doesn't know.
Krusty Crypto. Cushy. Oh, I'm sorry. It's Cushity Crypto. My bad, man. I said that wrong the whole time. Like, smoke out, buddy. I
smoke
got it
weed
now.
every day.
Google how much it's worth. I will, man. I appreciate that. That is amazing. Awesome. Is it Bitcoin? Like, that is so generous and helpful. Like,
I got you, bro.
I don't even know what to say. I really don't.
You don't have to say anything.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What do I do? I will withdraw that. That's amazing, man. Like, it's insane.
Hey, how you doing, Crypto?
What was that?
That's a mouthful.
Kushti.
Oh my goodness.
It's Kushti Crypto.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for driving.
How are you doing tonight? Oh,
I'm great.
Sure, what's that question? Fiat or BCT?
The only question that matters, Fiat or BTC.
Or BTC? I don't know.
Do we think he's going to come out with Fiat, the car? Or do we think this guy actually knows?
Not sure. Okay. Fiat.
Gone with the Fiat.
What do I win? That's the question.
Hit him with the donates $2,000. Is this guy going to take the bait?
Oh, fantastic.
That was it.
I'll play space games, but I don't want to go to the moon. Mars, maybe. I don't know. Not the moon.
How can you go to Mars if you don't want to go to the moon, bro?
I'm not familiar with Valhalla.
You can't take a lorry to Valhalla.
Yo, what Crush Crypto, what's good?
What's good, bro? Oh my shit. This dude is
Okay,
in.
1 second. I appreciate that.
I had to tell him to turn his stuff down. This was way too loud.
Appreciate that.
He's thinking that he's in an actual lorry. In his mind, before I said something, he was driving down the freeway in his lorry. Let's hit him with the
Still going
question.
Straight. Yes, sir. Go ahead, shoot. Fiat or BTC? Okay, I'm a noob. I don't even know what the fuck you're talking about.
No.
Explain your question, please.
This dude's a young dude. How does he not know what BTC is? I can understand people not knowing Fiat, but BTC, come on. It's everywhere now. Or is it? Hit him with 5 BTC. Granted, right now he doesn't know what BTC is, but he's got 5 of them. This equates to about $250,000.
Yo, dude, what the fuck? Thanks, dude.
There we go. That's what I get. That's what I get. Just gave him $250,000.
Thanks for the 5 bits, my friend.
Bits.
Appreciate that, bro.
That's alright, dude. $250,000.
Yo, that's very thoughtful of you. Appreciate that.
Appreciate you,
I'm
man.
actually doing crypto stuff too. I got some little bit of XRP, so
Oh, really? Bit of XRP.
I promise you.
I said, hodl that forever. Promise me. He promised me he's never going to sell.
Yo, Eric, do you know what Fiat is in BTC?
Pull it up, Jamie.
Does Eric know? His right-hand man. Eric. Let's get Eric involved.
I promise you, I will hold that for as long as I live, my friend.
Good man.
No,
Please don't sell that for XRP.
I have about $75 in XRP right now.
That is $75 too much, bro.
A lot of my friends have got into XRP, and I'm a noob. Like, to be honest, I'm not really.
The noobs are still buying XRP. They are not buying ADA. Okay? There is a separation.
Very knowledge with all that
If this dude had said he's got a bag of Cardano, I'd be worried. Okay?
cryptocurrency just as of yet. So for me, just to get into it just a little bit, just put 75 bucks. And a couple days ago, it was up and down. It's up and down all the time. So basically, my friends just like, yo, you should just. It's a good investment to start with. So all my friends are literally just like,
Okay.
yo, do XRP, do XRP. So I'm like,
See, all the XRP army, they just form real quick. It's like that. XRP army, boom. Tell your friends. XRP, buy XRP. We are the XRP army. We don't know anything about crypto. Just get XRP.
Derek, somebody donates. It says donates 5 BTC. How can I see that?
Come on, Eric, help this dude out. He needs to get his $250,000. So I said to him, so you don't sell the BTC, I'm going to give you some Fiat. I do not want him selling his Bitcoin for XRP or Fiat. I want him to hold that Bitcoin. So we hit him with the $3,000. Remember, this dude's just got 250k in Bitcoin, and now he just received 3k in dollars.
Eric,
we need you.
is that real? Or is that just highlighted?
No, that text is just different color.
Look at the reaction for that 3k. I didn't even get that for 250k in Bitcoin, man.
I was like, what the fuck? Who in the right mind would fucking donate $3,000? Hey, I would have been happy as fuck, but at the end of the day, I kind of figured you were fake.
No, you didn't, man. You were calling for Eric. Eric figured it out for you.
So you gonna follow?
Nah, dude. You're in the XRP army. I'm not joining anyone in the XRP army. I'm not following you in your XRP ways so you can try and brainwash me into him being an XRP army boy. It's not happening. Maybe if you leave the XRP army. Maybe then.
I'm not leaving the XRP army, my bud. Sorry.
Okay. No need to be sorry, mate. I'm not following you.
You don't have to follow. You can watch as long as you want.
I'm not even going to watch you. This dude looks like he's got the PC set up. He's got the graphics on screen. This dude looks like he could be like an older generation techie that could have dipped his toes in.
Fiat or BTC. What's a BTC? I don't even know what BTC is. Yeah, I don't do Bitcoin. They can bite my ass. Done talking about it.
Okay. Jeez. Okay, this dude.
Hey, Crush, how you doing?
Kind. Very kind to begin with. I like that. Called me Crush. but we can look past that.
I have one question for you. Am I an asshole? Yes.
Okay. Fiat or BTC? What is the answer? He's already called himself an arsehole off the bat.
Fiat or BTC? Okay, what's BTC? I'm not choosing nothing.
Why don't you
I
want to
don't
pick?
even know what BTC is, so
You know what Fiat is?
it could even mean a big tight cunt for all I care. You know what I'm saying? So I don't even know what a BTC is.
What? Oh man, are you gonna take a fucking poke at my sub count on Twitch as well? Are you gonna call me one follower Andy?
All right, have a go in there, brother. It's a Fiat. It is a car.
He thought it was a car. He literally thought I was asking him, do you want a Fiat or do you want a big tight cunt?
Assheads like that.
This dude, he just called me an asshat. This dude is sitting on his computer. He's got Google right next to him. Why has he got to be so mean?
Yeah. And he's so demanding of pick one, pick one, pick one.
I was just trying to make a video, bro. That is where this video ends. As I said at the beginning, just a bit of a fun one. Just take a break while the market is trending downwards for now. We could be on the edge of losing fucking everything. If you're watching me now, I guess you kind of liked it because you're here to the end. How could I make this better? Appreciate you. As I said, just a jokey little fun one. If you don't like it, press dislike. If you liked it, press like. See you in the next video. Goodbye.